Hello farmers, welcome again to another episode of poultry farming practices. So we'll be looking at the following, that's brooder preparation, chick management, daily routine, and other things like the feeds, how we prepare our feeds, how we'll be making the feeds formulas, and many other things that will make your poultry farm grow each day after the other, because we have some challenges that many farmers are facing, and this will help each farmer who is ready to go to dig into. So before we start, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, do so to subscribe. So the first part, we are going to look at the brooder preparation, and in that we will be looking at where you want to set your brooder. And with this we use plywood that is divided into two equal pieces, that's 2 feet. So then after that we are looking at the feeds preparation, and this, as you can see, we are just preparing our feeds. We use a small mill machine, and that's the different types of things that we use to prepare the feeds. So as a farmer, you need to understand the type of feeds that you'll be feeding your chicks, because we have different types of feeds and how they are. So you need to know even the texture of the feeds. So as a farmer, you can be able to tell that this feeds is good for my chicks or not. And even you know how long will the chicks be taking the type of feeds. Maybe it's a chick mash, growers mash, or even a kienyeji mash. So that is it from the part of the feeds. For today we will not be making the formulas of that feeds, but in our next video we'll be explaining how we can make such feeds. So as you can see, we have different type of feeds in these bags, and you can see them. That is chick mash, dry chick mash. As you can see, that's dry chick mash. And here we have our own prepared chick mash and the other growers mash. So as you can see, the difference is just small, slight difference that you need to look closely so that you can know the type of feed to feed your chicks. So here are my chicks. They are very encouraging for you to see and even join the poultry business. As you can see, they are walking in, have the feeders in there, and this about 21 days old chicks. So you can give me a comment if you see there is something that I haven't done in this video. You can ask the question in the comment section so that we can make a video that will explain more about our chicks. So we deal with Saso and have even the mixture of Saso or Silverland and even the other breeds. So as you can see in the part of feeders and bringers, we use our own modified bringers, and this one that are bought in the market. So as you can see, this at least cut the cost of buying new bringers and feeders to our chicks. As you can see, the chicks here are feeding in a pipe that we have made holes on it, and here they are growing very healthy. And this is at 2 months old. So as you can see, they are very healthy, and you can see we have modified even the jerry cans to help us as feeders. So look at the chicks, they are very healthy and they are just enjoying themselves in this house. So they have done with the brooder and they are out here to see. So here we are feeding them with growers, and growers we have a kienyeji mash and we have the growers mash. This one you can also make your own. Thank you.